Hello everyone. I just try and make it something like a rifle box for all 22 long rifle. Mm-hmm. It's broke. I don't have another piece, but I made it with pine wood, but I make a wrong thing right here on this part. So this one will be closed. Well, now I made another one for this kind of pine wood, like something. Look at it, looking more better. Huh? What do you think about it? Just let me know on your comments. It's wanna be for 22 long rifle exagonal barrel. What do you think about it? I want to put some initials for the order or something, or make some details or something. I don't know. Wait for the finish thing. Let me know in your comments if you like, share, comment, and if you like it, put your like on the video. So I have my tools right here, my other tools, and my another tools, my compressor, my another tool, my grainer. So let me know, peoples, gentlemen. Let me know, all hunters. I want to say hey to all hunters from Texas. Hello everyone. I hope they have a good day today, Monday. Oh, no, let's see. And I'm waiting too when I'm finished if I'm like it too either. So this is the first job